Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be having a look at some of the alleyways around the Old Town for the second series exploring Benidorm Old Town. So come and join me and let's go and take a look. So the first alleyway is just off the main area of the Old Town. Got entrecote steakhouse. That's new. It's very nice. Have to try that. Of course, up here got some of the more adult shops. And we got Sherpa Indian there. Thai and Indian, lovely if you haven't tried it. It's a must try. Decoratia. Do tarot readings, crystals and so on. Bookshop there. Just closing because it is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. When some shops do close for siesta and open again about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So if you are in Benidorm, please be aware of that. There's a nice little bar there, Cafe Retro. Hey girls bar there. Got Avenida Rusava just there. But we're going to go down this way. It is always worth exploring these little alleyways if you want to get out of some of the heat. If you go straight ahead, you got Tapas or Tuna, nice little shopping precinct. But we're going to take this little alleyway today. And if my brake starts squealing, I do apologise again. Bab shop there, I had to say it, didn't I? We got the Bluebell bar just there. Nice little bars and restaurants down these alleyways. So it's just always worth coming and having a look. We've got the Thistle bar. Nice little restaurant there as well. And of course there's lots of little passages and alleyways off. Nice little apartments. 2 Palms Steakhouse there. And 2 Palms Apartments as well. Barber shop there. Vagabonds restaurant. Admiral Club. And Amigos. Oh God, sorry guys. We also have Panelli's, steakhouse and restaurants. I'm going to have to oil these brakes. Oh! We got the Thistle kitchen there. Oh, these brakes so want oiling. If it makes your dogs bark, I apologise.
It's a 301 on your brakes, love.
It needs some. Needs something. Suppose it's good for a laugh. A laundrette there. Back of the Aviator. Hotel Fetiche. Never know how you actually say that. Got Little Cooper's bar there, along with Little Britannia bar. Of course, we are the back of Tapas Alley as well at the moment, which I will show you in another series.
Me queda la duda de qué es.
Lo siento. We've got the company bar there. Done many quizzes there in the day. And also the back of the welcome bar. Harry's bar there. And the back of Collier's bar and Casper's there. So if you're feeling a bit hot, you just fancy a little bit of a cool down, these alleyways are the perfect answer, and great for exploring as well, because you'll never know what you're going to find. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.